So each week, this is how I groom the Staffords. So the first thing you do is put them on a table with a noose, which is the best way. Oh, Falcon, stop. Okay. I like to go over them. Check the teeth. Check the feet. Her coat still needs to be stripped out with the gloves. She's still blowing it. It's a little pickled. Check the pads. So quick once over. Stand, babe. The girls aren't the biggest fans. First thing I do is clip nails, just tips. Just tips, no quicks. Stay. I like to do it like this. The bigger the dog, especially some of you with, stay, Great Danes or Mastiffs. Stand, baby. I know. She doesn't really like this, but they tolerate it. You can do it the same way. I don't like the Dremel. Plus, with this method, you go over your dog every week and just double check that everything's in good condition. Remember, I've been doing these dogs' nails since they were born, so a breeder should do that for you, and then it makes it easier on you. I know, baby. Next thing I do is brush their teeth once a week. Vet always says how great my dog's teeth look. I've been using this same enzymatic toothpaste for like 30 years. So many years. Just a small pea size. Stay. Oh, stop being a pain. You want to brush the outside of the teeth. The tongue naturally brushes the interior of the tooth. So you want to just do this like once a week. Pea size or so on each side. Stay, Falcon. So you can try this way, or I like to do this way. Stay, babe. Good girl. Because sometimes they're sensitive. One of my girls hates being brushed right in the center behind the canine. I also don't like any of the other toothpastes on the market, especially the taste, and some of them are too salty. Used to make my old Penny, generation before, their great aunt, used to make her throw up. The next thing I do is I use this horseshoe polishing aloe vera with petroleum jelly. Smells like strawberries. It's just a fantastic black nose. Stay. Just do that on the tip there. And if you have any, mine don't, but sometimes you guys will have, little bald spots. So just take some of this. I don't have them, but if I did, which sometimes they happen, you just rub this on it and it will naturally, this or Vaseline, go away. Because what's happening is when your dog is standing up, it rubs those elbows or those hocks, and there's just a finest bit of grit. So if you can Vaseline it a couple times a day or use this and let it naturally exfoliate, the hair will grow back and it'll be done. It's a crazy, wacky thing. Then after this, every couple of weeks, not every week, I use a baby wipe and I do anal gland expression. That's important. I've always done it. And then the last thing I do that they hate is I put them on the ground, canine ear solution, most important product to use every single week. Some in each ear. They hate it. While they're on the ground, I'm straddling them, put it in the ears, rub it around, let them shake it off. They're gonna pout. They're gonna have healthy ears. So that is everything that should be done every week on your Stafford, grooming wise. And your dog will always look fantastic. There's other videos I have showing you how to strip the tail, because we want a rat tail. You do not trim that. You don't trim or de-whisker the Stafford in any way. They're a natural breed. Don't touch anything. Just groom them, feed them, love them, train them, take care of them, maintain them. Oh, she is such a pretty girl. I know, baby. There you go. And I'll have handling videos up soon. I already have them there, but I'll be sharing a lot of stuff. I know, babe. You're getting off there. Hold on.